Again. Stop. Hold up. Hold up.
Show your little body, 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 body. Show my little body, 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 body. And shorty got the body.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be another wig video, but this wig video is going to be, I think this is my first time doing this type of wig on my channel. Actually, this is my first time, and I don't know, this is kind of but before we do anything else, I just want to shout out the sponsors for today's video, and the sponsor is Wowigs. They're not new to my channel. I've done a video with a wig from them before. They're not new, and I actually really like this company. They're very professional, and like their communication skills like up there. They're very patient, because a lot of times they send me stuff to do, and then I kind of take some time because I have other stuff to do. That they're very understanding, and I want to recommend that, because trial some companies that I deal with, it's crazy. I'll probably do a video with that, but yeah. So Wowigs, this is what, let me just show you what they sent me actually. So in the box they sent me some bonnets. Honestly, I've been living for all these bonnets. I have multiple bonnets, and I'm so happy, because just the other day I was like, oh my gosh, I don't have any bonnets, I need some, and I've been getting bonnets. You know what I'm saying? Like getting bonnets. So they sent me a bonnet, so cute. They also sent me this bag, this drawstring where I could put my wigs in after I'm done wearing it, so it doesn't get like all mushy or whatever. They sent me their card, and they gave me, I think it has a 50% off thing here. Yeah, it says 50% off. So I'm not sure if they're doing the 50% off right now, because I'm not gonna lie, they kind of sent me this like from April, and I'm just doing the video, so I'm not sure if the 50% off is still going on right now. Probably is, but yeah, they sent me these.
One eternity later.
Okay, so they sent me their cards, and like I said, I'm not sure if the 50% off is still going on. Probably is, but yeah. And then they sent me this band to use on your head so your wig does not slip off, but I probably won't be using it today. But yeah, they sent this to me. I've actually never used this band, you know. Honestly, I don't know why I don't use it, but I never used it. But the wig that they sent to me today is a UPART wig, and honestly guys, I'm a little bit skeptical, because like I don't normally leave my real hair out. My real hair is natural. I've been natural for a couple years now. I've cut my hair, did literally a ball, like chop on my head, like ball, and girl hair grow back right now. And girl no really, like girl wants to stick to long hair right now, so girl is trying to grow back her hair. So girl try her best, don't put no heat on her hair. So girl kind of really nervous. So if I'm not gonna lie, girl is really nervous about this install. But you know, since girl don't normally put heat on her hair, I feel like girl will be fine. Comment down below if you feel like girl will be fine. Yeah. So yeah, this is the wig. They sent me The clips are in here. This is how the inside is looking, and I think this is a HD lace. They said it was kinky curly, but I'm pretty sure this is like a water wave-ish type of texture, so I'm probably gonna have to just rod it or like one curl it. So wish me luck, guys, because this texture is like a relaxed texture and my hair is like, you know, so let's see what's gonna happen. So yeah, I'm gonna start by parting out my hair, getting my hair ready, and then yeah. Okay, so quickly showing you the parts that I have done so far. I did this right here, and then the back is not so neat, but you know, like it's fine because it's not going to show, right? Yeah. All right, so right now this is the front part, combing it out. Yeah, let's see what can happen. So I'm going to twist this up again because I don't want this in the middle, and I'm going to cut off the string that's here. I don't need it. I'm nervous, people. I am very nervous. I don't know how this is going to come out. I'm gonna plait this back before it come in on my way, because me very nervous about that hairstyle here. Right now, this is very stressed out. I'm nervous about the heat from my natural hair, but the show must go on. The show shall, and the show must go on. I wish this was kinky, because then all I had to do was just wet my hair and like didn't have to put like hot comb in my hair, and like this is nervous, and it's just like my anxiety is through the roof, and I just don't know. I just don't know. Okay, so my technique today is moisturize the out of my natural hair, keep this hair as dry as possible, because we want to have them on like not on the same level, but probably meeting each other halfway. Yeah, That's my aim today, guys. That is my aim today. Jesus. Then why them put girl in such desperate position? Huh? People, they're messing up your girl's flow here. Heat protect. Heat protecting. I low-key feel like I should flat iron my hair. Okay, so this side looks better than this side, so I'm going to have to do this side over. But this, it doesn't look so bad on this side. Let me see if I can put it here. Yeah, it doesn't look so bad on this side. With the fact that my hair is not permed, this side looks way better. I have to do over this side, so I'm just curling up like the ends of these. And what I did for my hair was, oh wait, hold on. Okay, so my hair I did a little bit neater, and then the wig I did messy, because my hair is natural, so it's going to be messy. And if I add additional like shine and whatever, that's going to make the wig neater, then it's going to look completely off. So the heat protectant spray, I only sprayed it in my hair, and then I'm just parting random parts in the wigs and doing the curls, because I want it to look more messy so it can meet my hair halfway, if that makes sense. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. So I'm trying to do my hair neat and the wig messy. Okay, so I'm going to try to do something with like the front part, like the baby hairs and stuff, and I'm going to use the Kiss Colors and carry the edge fixer, the maximum hold. It's glued maximum hold, and this is in the flavor strawberry. This is the Sweetie or Swati collection, and that's what I'll be using for my edges too. Final look. Listen, this is the best that I could have did with or could have done with my hair, because my natural hair is just like no, you know what I'm saying. So I curled it and it was looking cute and all of that, but I just felt like throughout the day it's going to get too messy for the wig. So my natural hair would have gotten too messy and then it would have been too obvious. So what I ended up doing was, even though I curled it up so neatly and was like, yes, my hair is defined, I know that it's close to the wig, I ended up just combing it out. I just used a rat tail, the big T comb, and I just combed it out and kind of cut and shaped the hair a little bit, because like my hair is not gonna stay like that for the entire day. And if I wanted to at least look like, right now my hair would have looked like this, like if I should have left it the way it was and then like leave and like, you know, be on the road, my hair would have ended up falling and looking like this. So I'm just like, I might as well just do it this way, so it looks more natural, it looks more messy, and it looks more cute, because then it won't be that obvious. But yeah, this is the final look and I think it's cute. I think it looks natural. I like messy hair. I love messy hair, not like, I love messy hair, so it's giving me a messy vibe, and I feel like that was my best option right now, just to do a messy look, because if I tried going the neat route or the neat route, it would have been too obvious. But yeah, this is what I have, and I think it's cute. I think it's cute. I think it could wear. I think people will see me and think this is my real hair. Like, yeah, for sure. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I want to thank Wowigs for sending me this wig. Honestly, it was a challenge, even though this is a UPART wig, which I'm so confused because it's not supposed to be this challenging, but it was. At one point I was just like, I'm not gonna do this video, I'm just going to just sit and not do anything for the day, like yeah. But in the end it came out cute, it came out wearable, and yeah, thank you Wowigs for sending me this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.
Your little body, showing my little body thing.